Hi friends, this is 5 minutes YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A23 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set full screen display for YouTube in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and click on display. Now click on full screen apps. Click on full screen apps. Here select camera cutout and select here YouTube and set to show camera cutout. It is already set in hide camera cutout, so full screen app will not be showing. So if you select first option show camera cutout, then full screen will appear while playing videos in YouTube. So in this way you can easily set full screen apps, full screen display for YouTube in your phone Samsung Galaxy A23. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.